Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to use the valve control on a steering wheel stalk on an F30 with a JB4. Look right here. So what you want to do is hold the BC button down here for approximately 3 seconds until the indicators blink here. Let go. We have the left and right blinkers coming on. That means it's on automatic mode. So OEM settings, it'll turn on in sport mode, turn off the valve in cold starts. If you want it on all the time, we'll do the same thing. Hold it for 2-3 seconds, let go. As you saw there was a left blinker. That means the valve is going to be always open under cold starts, any conditions, eco mode. If you hold it again one more time and let go, you're going to have a right signal. That means it's closed all the time. Doesn't matter if you're in sport mode, anything, it's going to stay closed and be more quiet. So now the car is going to be on automatic mode. So it'll turn on the valves depending on the OEM setting. Next, we're going to have it on always open. Now set through the steering wheel stalk. Just going to get a little rev, see a sound comparison. That's the always closed option. Neighborhood friendly, pretty much. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.